Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Little update. Here's the tack. Now look for the sparkles. You see the contacts. So now we're connected to earth ground. We're picking up, the oscilloscope's picking up from both sides of the collector. And if I take earth ground and bring it over to one end, which is the left side, we seem to smooth out the wave. And that's a good looking wave. We still have a little pointing going on top and bottom. We're going to figure out how to smooth that out. And the only way I know how to smooth out DC is, I'm not saying we have DC here, but if you smooth out DC, you use capacitance. So we're going to have to figure out what's the opposite of that. It might be more resistant. So I've changed the resistance a little bit. And I might have to change a little bit more, or I might have to figure out more speed. See, it's contacting all of them pretty good. See a nice little flash going off on all the bolts. Single one's got some action, some live action going on in my commutator. So the reason there's 16 bolts and there's only 7 coils, if you look on the layout of the patent, you'll see that when this part of this coil comes down around, it touches the first part of the resistance, and then it is searching for positive, and the positive is in the middle of the commutator. So right now the positive is actually the wheel itself, and it's the negative is searching for the positive. And that loop is closed when position 1 hits, then position 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But all of a sudden it gets to 8, it starts the process over again, but now it goes backwards. So now when it hits 1, the wiper blade here is over on this side. So basically this string of coils, if this is going to be the positive connection, this side is the negative, but this side comes out, comes around and goes right to negative. But also that split there where the negative is starts the negative side of this coil, so that means the right side of this coil is chasing positive, and it comes around to the other end of the resistance, and that would be right there. So now you have a wiper blade. You're either going to fire up, that'll be the top side to be pressure, or you're going to fire up this way. That means the bottom side would be the high end. In regards to the high end, we're talking about your peak on the positive side, and there's the middle, and then your peak, or your valley we'll call it, at the bottom side. And that's what we're creating in this array right here. It is pretty freaking cool when you think about it, how there you're powering up all these to be strong, and as it powers up the next one, they're a little weaker, and a little weaker at its weakest point. But all of a sudden now when it gets over here, from the weak point it starts building the upper to have the high pressure. Here's the bolts coming out of it, and that's just the collectors in the middle. Now obviously I have a lot of tuning and work to do here, because I have no clue about this. There's not much about it. What's the end game? I don't know. Just research. Hope you guys enjoy. Introducing ground. Leave your comments. Peace out.